Okay, thank you. Yeah, we'll be talking about unemployed youth and skill gap. My name is Chokoteki Steve Stephen. On our first step, we'll talk about the key issues in Douala, yes, Cameroon. Yes, our first key issue is about youth unemployed and skill gap. We can realize that in our urban unemployment in Douala, we have a rate of 16%. um, is driving a mismatch between what school teaches and what employees employers really demand in enterprise or in the job market. So our second issue is about informal sector dominance. We realize that we have an informal sector dominance. We are at the rate of 86.6% to the total employment in Cameroon. So people are limited to stable and formal jobs.